Hi, my name is Gareth Healey. I am the Head of Economic Development at Life Sciences Hub Wales. My job involves everything from speaking to individual businesses, understanding where they are in their business journey, the products or solutions that they're trying to develop, helping them to gain additional investment into their companies, create jobs, grow within Wales, and then develop the type of solutions that Wales needs to improve health and social care. I'm a scientist by background, so the part of my role that excites me most is being able to get into the granular detail of the ecosystem itself, but also individual businesses, understanding the challenges they're facing, the barriers that we need to overcome as an organisation to be able to help them progress and help innovations become adopted within our health or social care system. So in terms of people looking for a job within the sector, I would say that you should definitely look at it simply because of the number of opportunities that exist within it. Do you want to get under the skin of helping organisations to take their solutions and actually get them to patients? We're an organisation of passionate people who want to make a genuine difference to health and social care in Wales.